Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the AI generated content watermark on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a photo generated by me on S25 Ultra and I want to remove this AI generated content watermark. For that you need to tap on edit. And here tap on this icon with 4 dots. Now tap on Object Eraser. And I will tap here on the magnetic laser. Now it's yellow and it's turned to white. And I will select with S Pen the watermark, like this. And now just tap on Erase. And as you can see, it disappeared. Let's take a closer look. Tap Done and Save, and save over the original. And as you can see, we don't have anymore that watermark. Okay, so it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.